I'm Sébastien Giraudier, the Director of Neighborhood. Neighborhood is the innovation center of Voisin Consulting Life Science. We are dedicated to support and build your development program from the proof of concept to the first in human clinical trials. So the Boston Soft Landing program is the most exciting part of the one-year program. It's a boot camp when we take all the startups of the promotion together into Boston. It's on 1 week, usually in September. You're gonna have a workshop in our offices in Boston on market access, clinical trial, and regulatory strategy. You're gonna have also one-to-one meeting with KOL, investors, and potential partners. On the evening, you're gonna have social event on different places of Boston to feel the mood of Boston. The value of the Boston Soft Landing program is to help you to understand that the US market is accessible for you.